Dear students, hope that you are well. I am good. In last day, I learned you the structure of various kinds of tense. Today, I want to teach you the transformation of sentence from each sentence to another. Now I am writing a letter which is a tense of present indefinite. I draw a picture. Okay. I draw a picture. It is a sentence of present indefinite tense. Now it transfer present in continuous. It is a sentence of present indefinite. It transfer present continuous. We know that the structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am, are, be plus be1 plus ing plus object. Subject, it is a subject next we use am. I am verb draw ing. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. It is a form of present continuous tense. Then you have to transfer present perfect. Present perfect. The structure of present perfect is the structure of present perfect is subject plus have has plus be plus object plus extension. Now I transfer the sentence into present perfect. Such as I be verb sense. According to tense, be verb is have. I have the participle form of draw is drawn. Drawn. I have drawn a picture. I have drawn a picture. It is the structure of present perfect tense. Then you have to transfer present perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. Continuous. The structure of present perfect continuous is have been oblique has been oblique has been plus be on plus ing plus object plus extension. Now I am transferring this sentence into present perfect continuous tense. Subject I have been drawing. I have been drawing a picture. For 7 minutes. I have been drawing a picture for 7 minutes. it is the example of present perfect continuous tense. And transforming the form of present perfect tense. Now I am writing another sentence to transfer into past form. She cooks food. She cooks food. It is a sentence of present indefinite. Now it transferred to past indefinite. Present indefinite transfer into past indefinite. The structure of past indefinite is subject plus V2 plus object. Here subject is she, V2. The V2 form of cooked. She cooked food. It is object. She cooked food. It is the form of past indefinite tense. Now you have to transfer into past continuous. Past continuous. The structure of past continuous is subject plus all oblique where plus VO plus ing plus object. Here subject is she was. The verb of sales was she was cooking food. Now you have to transfer into present perfect. Present perfect. We know the structure of present perfect is subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. Now we have to transfer into subject. Here subject is she, has cooked food. She has cooked food. This sentence is present indefinite and you have to indicate present perfect. So at first you have to write subject, then verb, sense of subject, and then you have to write the participle form of verb. The participle form of verb is cooked, and then at last you have to write object food. She has cooked food. Now you have to transfer into past perfect. Past perfect. We know that the structure of past perfect is subject plus have plus V3 plus object. Here subject is she, then have, then you have to write the participle form of verb cooked. food. Food. It is the structure of past perfect tense. Now we have to indicate these are continuous. These are continuous. You know that the structure of future continuous is subject plus shall oblique will plus beyond plus object. Here subject is she. Then you have to write auxiliary verb as the sense of subject. You can use will. She will cook food. Food. It is the form of future infinite. Infinite tense. Now you have to indicate future infinite. Now you have to write future continuous. Future continuous. You know that the structure of future continuous is subject plus shall be oblique will be plus beyond plus ing plus object. Here subject is she and you can write will be. She will be beyond cook ing cooking food. She will be cooking food. It is the structure of future continuous tense. Now we have to write now I writing another sentence. The man drives a car. It is a sentence of present indefinite tense. Past perfect. You have to transfer as per indicate. So you know that the structure of future past perfect tense is subject plus have plus be3 plus object. Here the subject is the man, the verb had, V3 of drives is driving. Here driving a car. It is the structure of past perfect tense. Now we have to write future continuous, future perfect. Future. You know that the structure of future perfect is subject plus shall have oblique will have plus V3 plus object. The man drives a car. Here subject is the man the man, the auxiliary verb of the sense of subject will have. The man will have the participle form of drive is driven. The man will have driven a car. It is the answer of future perfect tense. Then we have to write another sentence. Ask English. The teacher is English. Here subject is it is the sentence of present indefinite. Here use two objects. There is no problem to solve this sentence because it is no matter using two sub object. Past indefinite indicate past indefinite. We know the structure of past indefinite is subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. The the past form of this is taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. This teacher taught us English. This teacher taught us English. It is the answer of this sentence. Now we have to indicate present perfect. We know the structure of present perfect is subject plus have only has plus V3 plus object. So subject the teacher has taught T-A-U-G-H taught us English. The teacher taught us English. It is the form of present perfect tense. This is the subject. The verb has the perfect participle form of this is taught us English. Now we have to write past continuous. Past continuous. You know the structure of past continuous is subject past continuous. The verb was. The teacher was teaching. Teaching us English. It is the form of past continuous tense. Now we have to write future perfect. Future perfect. You know that the structure of future perfect is subject plus shall have will plus V3 plus object. The teacher taught. The teacher will have taught. The teacher will have taught us English. It is the answer of future perfect tense. So we have to always remember the structure of tense. Otherwise, you will not solve any kind of problem. Today, I am finished the class. In future, I will solve any kind of problem of transformation. Thank you very much.